Good day, children. Hope you all are doing well at your place. Today, we will learn a lesson from Environmental Studies. The lesson's name is Clean Air. Children, what do you mean by clean? Clean means free from dirt or harmful substances. Children, you understood the name of the lesson, correct? The lesson's name is Clean Air. Clean means free from dirt or harmful substances. And how about air? You all know air. Can we see air? No. Can we catch it? No. But we can feel it. Let's start, children. We live in an ocean of air. Like food and water, air is also very important for life to exist. Without air, there would be no life on the earth's surface. Children, as food and water is important, similarly, air is also very important for the life to exist on the earth's surface. The thick layer of air that surrounds our earth is called atmosphere. The thick layer of air that is all around our earth is called as atmosphere. Air is a mixture of many gases. It also has some suspended particles of smoke, dust and water vapor. Children, what is given now? Air is a mixture of many gases. Different gases are there. For example, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and it is a mixture of many gases, air. Okay. And not only that, it also has the suspended particles of smoke, dust and water vapor. Now let us learn why do we need air. All living things need air for breathing. Without air, they would all die. Some animals breathe through their lungs, some through their skin, and some through pores in their body. See, children, all living things need air for breathing. Some animals, they breathe through their lungs, such as we human beings, birds, reptiles, horse, cats, dogs, etc. And some through their skin. Skin means fish, then sea snakes, frog when it is in water, and some through pores in their body. Which are they? Example, cockroaches. Okay. Plants breathe through the stomata, small opening on the leaves. Plants need air for preparing their own food. Even plants, they breathe through stomata. A small opening is there, okay, on the leaves. Plants need air to make their own food. Besides breathing, air is also needed for other purposes like filling air in footballs, basketballs, for drying clothes, etc. We need air not only for breathing but also for different purposes. For example, filling air in the footballs, volleyball, basketball, for drying clothes, etc. Air is used to fill gas balloons too. Children, have you seen gas balloons? Air is used to fill the gas balloons. Air is used in tire tubes. If we fill air in the tire tubes, the vehicles will move smoothly on the road. This helps all the vehicles to run on the road smoothly. Air is used in swimming tubes also. It is used to run windmills. See, this is the picture of the windmill. Electricity produced from these windmills is then used for various purposes. Now children, let us learn about air pollution. Air, as we know, is a mixture of gases. Besides these gases, it contains many suspended solid and liquid particles like smoke, and dust, which make it impure or polluted. Now children, polluted air, no, it cause headaches, eye irritations, damage our lungs and all. Okay, and it can make us sick if we breathe the polluted air. We should not breathe in polluted air as it may cause breathing disorders. It is largely human activities which make the air impure, and it's mainly we humans make the air impure. Main factors of air pollution are smoke, dust and stench. Stench means bad smell. Okay. So these are the three pollutants: smoke, dust and stench. Let us learn one by one. Smoke. The particles of smoke rise up in the atmosphere and make the air impure. The smoke, it will rise in the atmosphere and it will mix up with the air and it will pollute the air. Now how smoke is produced? Mainly through motor vehicles, factories and industries, burning of garbage and crackers. Okay. From the motor vehicles, smoke is produced, from the factories, industries, and by burning the garbages and crackers. Next one is dust. Dust particles also make air polluted, which causes infection and diseases. Air picks up dust when some construction work is being done, we clean our house and streets, there are dust storms. These are the main three reasons, okay, for the dust, to produce dust. Now let us move to the stench. Stench means bad smell. It is the earliest sign of air pollution. Stagnant water. Stagnant water means the water that is not flowing. Uncovered garbage dumps or burning leaves gives out bad smell, which makes breathing difficult. Because of the garbage, uncovered garbage, stagnant water, burning leaves, bad smell comes, okay, and which makes the breathing difficult. And if we breathe this air, polluted air, we may fall sick. Now children, we will learn the ways of keeping air clean. It is very important to keep the surrounding air clean. All living organisms need fresh and clean air to live and remain healthy. It is very important to keep the air clean, and all living organisms, they need fresh and clean air to remain healthy. Windows should be kept open for a while during the daytime so as to allow fresh air inside the house. Stale air from inside the house would be replaced by the fresh air full of oxygen. What is given now children? In the morning, we should open the window for some time. Why? Because the stale air from inside the house would be replaced by the fresh air. Now what do you mean by stale air? Stale air means not fresh. Okay. Planting trees helps keeping dust and smoke particles away. We need to plant more trees. Okay. Industrial and factories should not be located near residential areas, near our house, near our living areas. No, industries and factories should not be located. Why? Because they will produce smoke. Playing outside in the fresh air is also good for health. See the children, they playing outside. By keeping all these things in mind, we can keep the air clean and remain healthy. By keeping all these points in our mind, we can be healthy and even we can keep the air also clean. Garbages should also always be dumped in closed areas. The garbages should be dumped in closed areas. Okay. Burning of garbage should not be allowed. Instead, it should be recycled if possible. The garbages should not be burned. Instead of that, it should be recycled. Now children, what do you mean by recycled? Means convert waste into a reusable form. Okay. Open drains should be covered and we should not allow water to collect anywhere. The open drains and all should be covered and we should not allow water to collect anywhere. Why? Because stagnant water means the water that is not flowing. Stagnant water breeds, means produces mosquitoes which cause malaria and other diseases.